Meaning of GBH.
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 GBH. GBH stands for grievous bodily harm, which refers to a serious physical injury inflicted on someone intentionally or recklessly. This type of harm is considered more severe than actual bodily harm and can result in long-lasting or permanent injuries such as disfigurement or loss of limb. GBH is a criminal offense in many jurisdictions and can result in significant fines or imprisonment for the offender. The severity of GBH means that it can have a profound impact on the victim's life, both physically and psychologically, and may require ongoing medical treatment and support.